Good morning students. Today we are going to discuss about the topic is 2D shape. Students, in the last class we have seen about the properties of 2D object. Students, now you turn the page number 11. Creating objects by combining different 2D shapes. Uses of tangram in combining different 2D shapes. Tangram. Tangram is a 1000 years old Chinese puzzle consisting 5 or 7 geometrical pieces called tans, but together to form different pictures. What is tangram? Tangram is the Chinese puzzle. It is made up of square, triangle and parallelogram. Okay, so it is divided into 7 pieces. It is divided into 7 pieces or 5 pieces. So one piece will be a parallelogram, one square, and having 5 triangles. It can be arranged some particular designs, example animals, birds, etc. So we make many shapes by using with the tangram. So it can develop some skills. Example, join the 7 pieces of tangram to form the following picture. Here 2 parallelogram and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 triangles are given. So now you arrange this way. 3, 4, 2, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Next one. Join the 5 pieces of tangram to form the following picture. Here only one parallelogram, one square shape and 3 triangles are given. Okay, now you arrange this way. 1, 3, 2, 5, 4. Students, one activity is given. You practice. Students, turn the page number 13. Fill the space with the given 2 or 3 geometrical shaped tiles. Let us choose and arrange these tiles to form a regular shape. So regular shape, example square, triangle, hexagon. These are the example of the regular shape. Okay. Now you try this. Try this. Can you fill a circle with square tiles? No, we cannot fill a circle with square tiles because the circle is a curved figure. A circle is a curved figure. Students, turn the page number 14, exercise 1.6. Fill the following diagrams with appropriate trails. So students, now you fill whole area with using with the tiles. Okay. And here also some activities are given. Practice. Next, turn the page number 15. Properties of 3D object. It is very important. Create 3D object using plane and paper folding. A figure that you can cut and fold to make a model of a solid shape is called a net. Nets are used to make floor maps of houses, layout plans of buildings, bridges and so on. So first one is cube. A cube has 6 plane faces, 12 edges and 8 vertices. All the 6 faces are equal. Example, dice, ice cubes, building blocks, Rubik's cubes. Okay. Here, how many faces are there? 6. So listen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many faces? 6 plane faces. And how many edges are there? 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. And how many vertices are there? 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next one is cuboid. A cuboid has 6 plane faces, 12 edges and 8 vertices. Its opposite faces are equal. Example, matchbox, bricks, eraser, book, toothpaste box. A cuboid has how many faces? 6 plane faces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. And how many edges are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And how many vertices are there? 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Students, turn the page number 16. Next one is sphere. A sphere has only one curved surface. It has no vertices and edges. Example, ball, globe, laddu. Ball is here. This is the sphere shape. Okay, a sphere has only one curved surface only. It have no vertices. Okay. Next one is cone. A cone has one plain face and one curved surface. It has one vertex. Example, cone ice cream, party cap. So it has one plain face. Okay, and it having one curved surface. Next one is cylinder. A cylinder has two plain faces and one curved surface. It has no edges and vertices. Example, straw, gas cylinder, pipe. So here listen, we have two plain faces also and only one curved surface. Okay. Students, you practice this activity. Okay. Students, turn the page number 17, exercise 1.7. Choose the correct answer. A cuboid has 12 edges. The shape of a dice is like a cube. Okay. A cylinder has a curved surface and two plain faces. I have one vertex and one plain face. I am a cone. A cube has 8 vertices. Turn to page number 18. Compare and differentiate 2D and 3D object. Concept, expansion, dimension, example. So here the 2D object has 2 dimensions and 3D object has 3 dimensions. Okay. What are the 2 dimensions in 2D object? Length and breadth. And what are the 3 dimensions in 3D object? Length, breadth and height. So what are the example of 2D object? Square, rectangle, circle, triangle, rhombus, parallelogram, trapezium and quadrilateral. And what are the example of 3D object? Cube, cuboid, cone, cylinder and sphere. Find out 2D and 3D objects from the given picture. So the first one is the square shape. So 2D. This is what shape? Cube. Yes. So 3D shape. It is a square shape. So 2D. Next roof is given. It is 2D shape. And here this is the 3D shape. Next one cylinder, 3D shape. And the cake is given 3D shapes. Okay. Here this is what shape? 3D. Next coin is given 2D. Next rupee. Rupee is given 2D shape. And book 3D. Orange 3D. Writing bird 2D. And cylinder 3D. Okay. Next one postcard 2D. CD 2D. Next blackboard 2D and globe 3D. Okay students, thank you. Today class is over.